Ka Executive Committee jong ka Giant Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC hapo ka jingalam UCEM Ma Thombor Shiwat kala thung ya kinriungot ki waypat ki MDC ki bamyo ya kashuki executive members kum ki chairman jong ki tanatrekam bapher ha JHADC ya kanila pentip da UCEM jong ka JHADC Ma Thombor Shiwat habawan ra ya ka report hayeng dorbar hakasngis dang ka dorbar mang tingka haka arpun rio trik leber. Kini ki MDC kidai uma moonlight parian ubalasya thung kum chairman ka planning board ma wala dameshwa siangsha kum honorary forest advisor ma reforming san lamari kum chairman customary law committee nalor kata la thung ru ya uma krison langstang kum chairman resource mobilization committee ma worshipman shadap kum chairman land revenue and land reform kat ba uma meeting kong sutenga kum chairman Rules Advisory Committee. Ka kamram jong kini ki chairman jong kini ki tanat rekam bapher kalong ban ajingmot ya ka executive committee haki benta bapher kumno bandang penha penmiat ya ka jing rekam jong ka JHADC.
I beg to report that this committee that the Autonomous State of July has appointed the following MDC to the post as indicated against each. Sri Waila Dameshwa Sinchai, Honorary Forest Advisor. Sri Reforming Son Lamade, Chairman Customary Law Committee. And Sri Krishnan Lastam, Chairman Resources Mobilization Committee. Sri Womanship Cheddar, Chairman Land Revenue and Land Reform. And Sri Meghalaya, Chairman Rules Advisory Committee. So all the notifications have been submitted to each and every table of our members. So you can check on that also. But copy of all the above notifications have duly been communicated to all members of the state of Syllad. Now the report placed before the House for information and approval. Starting from that, I beg to report that the following officers were promoted and appointed to the post in the level of pay as indicated against each. Number 1, Sri Wani Mudi, Deputy Secretary, State Committee JHADC, promoted as Joint Secretary EC JHADC. Notification update to the itu sama Pak itu. Nomor 2, Sri LC Reclep, Secretary District Council, promoted to Deputy Secretary Executive Committee JHADC. And Srimati Theo Kar, Art and Cultural Officer JHADC, promoted as Secretary District Council JHADC. And Sri W. Sotiem, Assistant Finance and Account Officer JHADC, promoted as Art and Cultural Officer JHADC.